guys, I just wanted to talk about some of my spring and summer outfits and then what Beauty in the City products will match with them and how I get ready. So first, I want to talk about this dress. I haven't even wore it yet because, you know, COVID and the lockdown, but it's very form-fitting, it's very sexy, has a little split here. And for this look, I definitely would want like a smoky eye, very bronze. So of course I will use my bronzer to just get along my edges here. So I use my bronzer along my jawline, here, and then under here it kind of hides the little fat you get under there. I will also use my Ninja eyeliner, of course, so I can get that smokiness under my eye or even to smoke my crease. I will also use, of course, mascara, because you have to have your mascara with all of these outfits. I don't care which one it is. And so that's for that outfit. For this yellow one, I haven't worn this either. I'm excited because you guys got me bringing out my outfits and my clothes. So for this yellow one, because it's a low cut like this dress, I really like for my shoulders and my chest to be out. I will use the shimmer spray, of course, and that's this product right here. I will use that to spray across my chest to really give it that glow and that summer, like that summer vibe, that summer energy. I will spray it all on my face as well to give myself that glow. I will also use the shimmer stick, of course, to just highlight my nose, my area here, all my highlight points on my face, just to make me bright and just to bring me out, just like that yellow would. So that's what I would use for that outfit. For this dress, this is more of a neutral, same kind of style with the arms and chest out. That's definitely my thing. Again, I will use my shimmer spray to definitely bring my chest and my arms out. I will also use my shimmer stick as well. That will be awesome. For all of these outfits, because they're summer and spring looks, we can anticipate the heat and the humidity. So I will definitely want to use my tea mist spray just to kind of set my makeup and to make sure it kind of stays in place and is moisturized. So I'll just do a little bit of this. I like to shake up all my products and let's see. Let's get a spray in. Ooh, that feels good. I can imagine like taking this in your purse and on the go when you're hot and just being out and about and just freshening your makeup and your look up. And I have one more outfit. This black one. This one is black and lace. The lace goes all the way down. Very sexy, very outside, summer nights vibe. It was actually a birthday dress. I think for my 25th birthday, but I still wear it. And I will give that a smoky eye look as well. So I will use my Ninja pencil along my waterline and definitely in the crease, probably to give myself a smoky, sultry, sexy look. Definitely my mascara, as I said, that's for every beauty look. You gotta have your mascara, you gotta have lashes. I feel like your lashes are the headline to your face. It has to bring it together. So I'll definitely be using my mascara for every single look because it just brings your lashes out. You want to be able to see your lashes. I feel like when your lashes aren't done, you kind of have that naked look to your face, if that makes sense. So this mascara definitely fluffs out your lashes and just brings them to view, right? So that's what you want. You don't want to have a full face of makeup and then look naked because you forgot to address. So for this outfit, because it has the black, actually not even for this outfit, I like bronzer. I will bronze for every single look because it contours the face. It gives you shape. So definitely right here in my jawline again, around my edges here, it kind of just shapes my face and gives me more like a chiseled look. Under here again to just, you know, hide that little, whatever that is going on. I forgot what you call that. The fat right here. But yeah, so these are my outfits, my summer spring looks, and the Beauty in the City products I'll use with them. Hope you